Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple vinaigrette. If you have all the ingredients ready, it should take you no longer than 10 seconds to make. So let's begin. A squeeze bottle or a jar, add a slice of ginger about this size, then add 1 clove of crushed garlic like this. Then after, add 1 shallot. Taking the 2 halves and adding them. And I'm going to add a sprig of thyme. Next, I'm going to add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of sherry vinegar. Now I'm going to add about the same amount of soy sauce, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. It's now time to add the oil. You should choose a neutral flavored oil, nothing too strong in flavor. Today I'm using sunflower oil, and as you can see, the mixture is about half oil. Quantities for this recipe don't matter too much. If you'd prefer it to be more acidic, add a bit more vinegar and lemon juice, for example. If it's too sharp, then add a bit more oil. You can always adjust a vinaigrette. You'll also notice that if you keep this in the fridge for a couple of days, the flavor will improve. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see further recipes and techniques, please like and subscribe. Happy cooking!